again, Tech Buddies! It's me, Poodle. Today, we're going to learn about the internet. We hear it being called the World Wide Web. But don't worry, it's not a real spider web, and there are definitely no spiders. Let me explain. Imagine the internet as a giant road system that connects computers all over the world. Now, imagine all your different devices as houses and buildings connected by the roads. What travels on those roads? Little delivery trucks carrying information from one computer to another. When you zoom out and look at it all, it kind of looks like a web, doesn't it? Now, let's learn how to visit one of these digital houses. On the internet, we call it a website. To visit a website, you need to type in an address in the address bar. Once you are done, click Enter or tap Go. When you're using the internet, these buttons help you move to different websites. This is the back button. It takes you to the previous page you visited. Forward takes you to the page you just came from. Is a page stuck or not loading right? Click or tap on Refresh to reload it. Want to open a new page without closing your old page? Open a new tab. Use this plus sign to open one. If you're done with a page, click or tap on the X to close that tab. Found a website you love? Use bookmarks so that you don't have to remember the address every time. Just tap the star at the top. It's like giving the page a gold sticker. This saves it to your bookmarks, so you can come back anytime. Go ahead and bookmark a page that you like. It's your very own list of favorites. Let's wrap up what we learned, Tech Buddies. The internet is like a giant road system that connects information all over the world. You can type in a website using the address bar at the top. And use the back, forward, refresh, and tabs to move around while you browse websites on the internet. Great job with today's lesson! Pretty soon you'll be navigating the World Wide Web like an expert.